Menteri Ketenaga Jingïakynad Perthai uba Timothy di Shira ulo ong ba Jingïakynad habdeng ki arngut ki menteri rangba klapin kutno e ki Jingsiew Khang ki kali ulo ong ba Dei Shuh bandan ganu ki Khang bat ki seng taksi na Assam ki deban aila ki kali Meghalaya ban lech Assam bat kumjoru ki kali Assam ban wanche Meghalaya uba Shira ula pin shisharu ba sorkar Meghalaya Jingsiew Bai Lutksan ki kali Assam ki bla sha pinjulor Hinre halor ki jingdo nong jong ki try hotel bat ki homestay ulo ong ba amdan Jingsiew Bai Lutksan na Mynta ki homestay Menteri ula kinturu ya baro ban long ki bahusia namar kanu ki Jaintia ha Meghalaya kala aban kata ki jingïada ba ki Jylla Assam
30%. It is 100%. You say there is no tourist coming in. How they will be able to come? Because the road is blocked.
So how to improve the situation?
Well, there is a discussion between the Chief Minister of Meghalaya and Assam. They have resolved the issues. So there should not be any ban or any blockade now. So Assam government also, the taxi driver association from Assam also should be allowed to allow the Meghalaya vehicle to go to Assam, and Meghalaya people also should allow the Assam vehicle to come. Now this should be already they have a discussion, and whatever the damage caused to the Assam vehicle, she will be compensated by the government of Meghalaya. Then what more need they have? There should not be any more issue like that.
About occupancy, will the government help the hoteliers and stay home?
Yeah, they will pay the cost of the repair of those vehicle damage.
No, about the homestays and hoteliers.
Yeah.
Homestays, they are also affected.
Yeah, affected.
So will the government compensate?
There will be no compensation for the homestay. Yeah, from the state.
So what is your appeal to ensure that tourist flow is very normal?
My appeal is that we should understand. Any action we are taking here, will have any reaction or not in Assam. We must be very conscious. We should be very careful. To do anything also. Because whatever you do, there will be reactions of it. So thank you.
Is kata bagi semakat Sngi sangka.
Sngi ka dari MSIS. Mo.
Gak jingïada bahasa yang sorkar, hantam ya ikut ya sutom.
Ini kena hapsa dari sama. Adhar MHIS kapi.
Untuk mulai karakter kata.
Jadi kon pi hap admit ka hostel, dah hap lek pi ka registration. Tele dam pi dengan smart card, dah sampah cok.
Oh dokter dan lah ya.
Yang ni kon pi hap lek operation ni yo. Te gua kam to hap penjan ni pi ka paisa ka. Hap lek operation ni, tahu PM MHIS card pi dan ni smart card. Tengah try membayar ri pi.
Ri nak bagi mon lek yo paisa sumar ni kon. Abenda dan eksir yo sumar. Kebelah si bona, kalau ia lah atau percang kafu ni ya.
Ini kan mana dia lah smart card. Oh kan teh. Kebelah si bona, mau.